Hi, good morning everyone. Now we move to the bio section, grade 9. As the chapter name is Fundamental Unit of Life. So what is the name of chapter? Fundamental Unit of Life. That is cell. Right? So what are living organisms made up of? Of course, cell. Cell is a Latin word. It is a Latin word which means a little room. Correct? Robert Hooke was one of the scientists who saw the cork that is resembled structure of honeybee that consists many compartments. You know that compartments a consider as cell, that is in a sections. In the 1665, Robert Hooke made this chance observation through a self-designed microorganisms. Cell is divided into two categories on the basis of number. If you talk about the number like 1, 2, 3, so they are divided into two categories. They are unicellular and multicellular. Clear? Unicellular, the best example is amoeba. Amoeba is a single-celled organism. A one-celled organism or a single-celled organism is called unicellular. And those who are having more than one celled organism, they are considered as multicellular. The best one example is we all, means humans and plants. Correct? They may be. Cell is again divided into two categories on the behalf of the structure. On the basis of their structure, if we talk about, then they are divided into two categories. They are prokaryotes as well eukaryotes. Simple way is to learn. Pro means old one cells. Pro, old, previous, right? You will remember from here U, and it's new cell, right? As eukaryotes are having well defined organelles, they are the new cells, right? So plant cell and animal cell are the two categories of eukaryotes. Now we will go in detail with the plant cell. We will discuss the various organelles of the cell in details. Correct? The first one, as you know that according to biology, cell is the smallest structural and fundamental unit of life. It's a functional unit of life. It is a building block of organism. Right? When a group of cells are combined, then they are called tissue. Correct? A group of organisms are combined, they are called tissue. A group of cells that perform particular function are called tissue. The best one example is nerve, like blood, bone, muscle, and so on. And when the tissues are combined together, then they form organ. Right? Like liver, heart, and any organ of an organism. Because they perform particular functions, because the particular tissues are present over there. Then when organ works together, then they form organ system. That works together, like there are various systems in our bodies: digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory systems. So all systems are necessary for an individual. So when all organ systems work together, then they form organism. Clear? We call organisms. Clear? As I am the one of the organism in which a various digestive, respiratory means every organ systems are going on. Clear? And that is happened just because of the cell only. It means it is the building block of life. Building block of life, from where our life originates. Clear?